Hello viewers, welcome to Annie's Cooking Diary. Today I am back with a yummy and special recipe, that is red sauce pasta. So this is very yummy if you try it in this procedure. So let's get into the video. Let's take a bowl, pour some water and add some salt into it. Once the water starts boiling, let's add some pasta. So our pasta has boiled. Now let's check whether it's boiled or not. So we need to check it by cutting the piece. And now let's off the flame and let's strain it out. And now let's add some cold water. On the top let's pour it and let it cool for some time. Into a bowl let's add some tomatoes and let it boil and let's peel it off. Into a mixer jar let's add these tomatoes and grind it into fine paste. Now let's take a pan, pour some oil, and once the oil gets heated let's add some finely chopped garlic. And once the garlic turns golden brown, let's fry it till it turns golden brown. Let's add some onion and wait till the onion turns transparent. Once the onion turns transparent, let's add the grinded tomato puree into it. And now let's mix it. And now let's add some food color, orange red food color I am using. It's optional. Let's add some. Even you can add some beetroot juice if you wish for color, natural food color. And now let's add origami flakes, chili flakes and pepper powder into it and let's mix it well. And now let's add some tomato ketchup. One tablespoon is more than enough. And now let's pour some water. So now let's add some salt. Salt is per taste, and you can add, we need to add some finely diced capsicum. And let's stir it and close a lid and off the flame. Into other pan let's add some butter or ghee and let it melt, and let's add 2 tablespoons of maida and let's stir it well. And once the maida gets roasted well, let's add some milk. This is because we are making cheese right now. And see, we need to add milk gradually and mix it so that the consistency gets thicker. Now into this let's add some oregano flakes. Let's add some chili flakes. And salt per taste. And let's mix it up well, so that all the chili flakes, oregano flakes, salt get mixed well and the cheese gets its flavor. Let's boil it for 1 to 2 minutes and off the flame. Now into other pan let's add some oil, and we had made tomato curry, right, that puree and all mixed one. Let's add that. And now let's add the cheese. And let's give it a nice stir so that the tomato puree and the cheese, everything gets mixed very well. The tomato puree is nothing but red sauce. Once everything gets mixed very well, now let's add some pasta, boiled pasta into it. And let's give a nice stir so that the cheese gets mixed with the pasta and pasta is marinated very well with the cheese. So it's easy, very tasty to make. You will really love the taste. Try it out. So it's ready. Now let's serve it into a bowl. Our yummy pasta is ready to have. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for my updates and notification. Thank you.